Hey guys, it's Dara, and today we are doing subscription unboxing. They surprisingly all came in like the time span of like 2 days. So the first one, obviously, we're gonna do is see. I have it in a minute. Let's see what we got. The card says "Spoon So Hard." There's lots to love this month. Aside from you guys, let us introduce you to the next Ipsy add-on. Oh, whatever. So this is the bag. Since it is February, it is very pink, very Valentine's-y, very kissy-kissy, and I really do like this. So the first thing we have, let's see, it says it's about time. I don't know if you guys can see that. Vivid Lipstick Mini by Sugar in 09 Better Call Salmon. Solomon? Okay, so it's very mini. That is actually kind of cute, but it's very salmon-y. Solomon. Next thing we got is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. Let's just do a dollop. Let's see, is there any shimmer in here? Don't mind the noise in the background. My roommate puts his dog in the kennel while he's away at work, and I just got home. So it's a can to the luminosity. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera because we're all in just natural lighting right now. So that's one of them. Next, we have the Ico Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go. I have never tried Ico, but you could definitely see through the tube. Like, you could see the color difference where the mascara is. Okay, part of the wand is dry. It's getting there. And I usually leave the dog in the kennel because he's massive and he's kind of distracted when he's like on his own with the other dogs. Like, I've come home twice and there's like garbage strewn everywhere. And I'm like, how the fuck? Let me see. Okay, there we go. Now it's a nice and carried. That looks like a good wand. I don't like the really thick wands. Next, we have this A-Sling Organics double-ended brush. One's very flat, and one is kind of like a little mini blender. Feels nice. And then last but not least, we have a fierce and refined graphic pen. I do not know how to say this name. Dusa. Ooh. Now that's some fine line. Okay. So that is great. So this is a good bag. I would rate it about like a 7 or an 8 out of 10. Don't mind it. But yeah, I think it's a good bag because the products are really great. It's just sometimes I have so many eyeliners. I don't know what to do. Hold on. So that is it for Ipsy. I will see you in the next video for Sephora. Bye.